Hi again. Welcome to the lecture on solving problems. One of the key strategies that we need to look at when we're talking about this unit is how to solve problems that can make it so that we can identify the obstacles that keep us from solving problems. So we're also going to look at what is meant by intuition, and we're going to describe shortcuts to problem solving. We're going to look at what happens when we're overconfident, when we simply look for things to prove our bias. And we're going to describe how smart thinkers can use this intuition to help us frame our decision making. Okay, so what you have here are problem solving strategies and obstacles. And I love this boy, how he's out shopping. I don't know, I've never seen a boy this age out shopping in the grocery store, but that's very good. He's reading his labels, which is excellent. So the first term you have to understand in terms of psychology is algorithms. Algorithms is this long procedure that will guarantee you solving a particular problem. Now you go step by step by step. So let's say I am looking for a particular kind of cheese in the grocery store. In order to find this cheese, I may, using an algorithm, go up and down the aisles until I find the cheese that I'm looking for. This will guarantee that I will find my cheese, doing an algorithm going up and down the aisles. But it is not quick, right? It contrasts with the usually speedier, but also more error-prone use of what we call heuristics. Heuristics are simple thinking strategies that often allow us to make judgments and solve problems efficiently. So going back to my grocery store problem, I need to find some cheese. In order to find the cheese using a heuristic, I'm going to look at the signs in the aisle that hang above the aisle that tell me what products are in which aisle. Now, heuristics are not error-proof like algorithms. They actually can lead to more errors and more frustration. Like if the product in the grocery store you're looking for is not with the rest of their types of products, then the heuristic would have been error-prone. Heuristics also cause us to make other types of mistakes that can be more damaging than not finding your cheese. Another way to solve problems is through insight. Now, insight is the sudden realization of a problem solution. It is not strategy based. So, for example, let's talk about my cheese problem. I go up and down looking in the aisles. I look at the signs. I say to myself, I can't find it. I'm just going to continue on with my list and then deal with it when I'm done with the rest of my shopping. As I'm walking up and down the aisle, I suddenly say, oh my goodness, I know where the cheese is. It's in with the specialty cheeses, not in with the other cheeses. That's insight. I came to the solution of a problem without really doing anything to solve the problem, without any real strategy. So the first three bullets here are problem-solving strategies. The next ones are problem-solving obstacles. So confirmation bias is the tendency to search for information that supports our preconceptions, even though there's evidence to the contrary. So if you're looking for someone, let's say, who committed a crime, and you're looking for a particular kind of person, maybe a short person, a tall person, different skin color, you're going to look for those things even though every other piece of evidence has shown you that this person did not commit that crime. Confirmation bias. You are looking for something that confirms your preconception of a situation. Mental set can also be a obstacle to problem solving because this is your tendency to approach a problem only one particular way. And it's often a way that has been successful in the past. So instead of, looking at other solutions, you stick with this one, but it might not be successful in a particular situation. So here's a problem that I want you to solve right now. We look at this popular matchstick problem. And your idea here is to create something to take these different objects here. So you've got a box of matchsticks, a candle, and a thumb and some thumbtacks. What you need to do is get this box hanging on the wall with the candle standing up in it. So pause me and take a few minutes and try and solve this problem. Pause me now. Well, did you get the solution? Here's the solution. You have to dump all of the matchsticks out and take the thumbtacks and tack it to the wall. And you put the candle inside after having lit the candle, got a little wax to make it stand up. And there you have it. In our next lecture, we'll talk about forming good and bad decisions and judgments. I'll see you in class.